Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload and organize your content into folders in Canva, the 2025 way. Whether you're brand new to Canva or you've been designing for years, keeping your workspace neat and easy to navigate can save you tons of time and stress. Let's jump right in. First, open up Canva and head over to your homepage. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a panel with several options. Click on the one that says Projects. This is basically your creative hub where all your designs, uploads, and folders live. Once you're inside your projects section, you'll see a list of your folders. These are like your digital filing cabinets inside Canva. Go ahead and click on the folder you want to organize or upload content into. Having everything sorted into folders makes it super easy to find what you need later, especially if you work on multiple designs or clients. Now, with your folder open, look for the Add or Upload option. Canva may label this slightly differently depending on updates, but it's usually easy to spot. Click on it and you'll see options to add existing designs, upload new files, or even import content from your computer or cloud storage. If you're uploading new files, simply drag and drop them in, or click Upload Files to browse your device. If you're moving existing Canva designs into this folder, click Add Designs and select from Projects. This will display all your current designs. You can scroll through, pick the ones you want, and hit Move or Add to Folder. And that's it. Your selected content is now safely organized in the right folder. This small step makes a big difference. It keeps your workspace clean, helps you find designs instantly, and gives your projects a professional flow. So, next time you're working on multiple campaigns or creative projects, take a few minutes to organize everything into folders. Trust me, it'll make your Canva experience faster, smoother, and way more enjoyable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick Canva guides, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover any specific Canva features next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing.